Even all the Spartan people out there are cringing at this point. But here you go, 42 degrees. Don't cringe at this. We're above freezing for the entire weekend. So at least when you head out, you don't have to worry too much about are you going to be slipping and sliding. If you are, it's only because maybe you're going a little too fast on the wet roads because we got a lot of rain out there. Today's forecast, temperatures in the mid to upper 40s. They don't go very far. I know we're waking up in the 40s, but the showers linger throughout the daytime and into the afternoon. You don't really get a break, maybe a little drizzle. Maybe it'll just be a cloudy sky. It is going to be dreary, no matter how you put it today. Rain showers are heaviest right now, and ultimately this is going to lift off towards the northeast, but you can see the pocket starting to rotate through Fort Wayne. We're going to have another round of heavier rain, and then it will start lightening up. Same with Columbus. The next weather maker, though, your Monday morning commute could be a slow one, is well out towards the Rockies. Will make it to us Sunday night. So Sunday itself is not a washout. Matter of fact, it'll be cloudy too, but at least it's not you don't have to worry about precipitation. So here you go, your future cast this morning. We deal with those round of rain that becomes more of a drizzle in this afternoon. Some light rain showers here and there. Not a pretty afternoon, but not an all-day washout. Just not absolutely gorgeous. You can see by 3 in the afternoon, just some spotty showers remain. By tonight will be mostly cloudy skies, and tomorrow, look at this, mostly cloudy start to our day. So Sunday is going to be dry. Matter of fact, Sunday afternoon is going to be dry. Our next weather system, by Sunday night, it'll start coming and marching across the state. This is heavy snow. If you're heading to Grand Rapids for Monday, I'll tell you what, they are already under a winter weather watch. So they're expecting a lot of snow to our north and towards our west. We, however, will worry with that more on Monday. So here you go, 48 degrees today with the rain showers greatest this morning and then just kind of fizzling out as we go through the afternoon. But with that said, you can expect maybe some drizzle or some light rain showers around. Today 48, tomorrow 45, so not bad on a mostly cloudy day. So not a lot of sunshine coming our way over the course of the next 3 days, matter of fact. Monday morning will be the unusual day where temperatures will be dropping throughout the daytime. Then you can see once we get done with that system on Monday, look at this, we're actually dry all the way through Friday night. Temperatures well below average, so still going to feel like winter, but we need a little more sunshine.